Beautiful St. John Honeymoon Beach. I said to myself, this looks like it might be a decent place to snorkel. Let's do this.
Cause I've been living life right like I could just die any minute. Going for a ride down the side, PCH country limit. I don't need a guide, follow lights, take me where I wanna visit. Are you alive? Or just breathing?
Hey there, how you doing today? This is a follow-up to our last video, and in case you didn't see it, here in St. John, I'll leave the link down below for you to check this out. But anyways, there was these cool rock formations over on the right side of the beach, and I said, you know what, I'm willing to bet there's some decent snorkeling over there, so why not? So I jumped in, grabbed my snorkel gear, grabbed the underwater camera, and went at it. Cool part about this was it almost felt like where the mountain met the sea. The bad part of it was there wasn't a whole lot out there. There were some cool rocks and some cool formations, and unfortunately with the DJI camera being underwater, I'm unable to zoom in, but there was a ton of baby corals growing out there, and I thought that was really cool. I did see some fish around. All in all, I probably spent 15-20 minutes in the water. Would I do it again? Probably. I'd like to see if the corals grew some more or not, because to me that's just cool. But anyways, I am going to sit back here. Make sure you go back and check out our other video of Honeymoon Beach here in St. Martin, and this series here will start making sense. We're glad to have you stop by, and we'll talk to you real soon. Thanks.
Just rather watch me fall from a quarter mile. I can see you at the call. Think about it, ring won't tell you what I saw. When you break it off, you'll see.